In today's video, I'm going to review with you exponents with fractional bases. So if we have a problem like this that says evaluate and express your answer as a fraction, and here we have 1/3 to the power of 4. So first thing to understand, an exponent tells us how many times we need to multiply the base by itself. So how many times the base is used as a factor. So this is the same as, we could consider this as 1 to the 4 and 3 to the 4. We could look at it separately like that. So our new base is 1, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. And here in the denominator, the base is 3, and it's 3 4 times. Okay? Or this is the same as, you can consider it as 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3. It's exactly the same. It doesn't matter. Whatever you find easier to look at or to work with, just use that method. So now we just multiply the numerator and then multiply the denominator. So the numerator, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. And 3 multiplied 4 times equals 81. So we have 1 over 81. And that's how simple it is to evaluate that expression. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. Anyone can do this. There's nothing wrong with repetition. As well, if you need extra help, you could look in the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out as well. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.